lovely, beautiful, gorgeous people on this beautiful spring morning. Hello. Hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome. Thank you for coming in for another video. And of course, I am always happy to sit here and bring you guys another video, and I hope you guys are all doing well. And thank you so much for watching, and of course welcome again to my brand new subscribers. My channel is all about skincare, but of course like today I know I do the odd videos in between, but of course if you do like what you see on this channel, please stay subscribed and make sure your notifications are turned on. And so I have this makeup look for you guys today. This is my go-to springtime makeup look. Really easy, really simple. And this will probably take me maybe a good 20 minutes to do, because I always kept my makeup very, very simple. And of course, glossy lips today. This is a palette I use from Beauty Bakery. So how you doing? That's the name of the palette. And when I saw this, I thought, springtime, spring colors, summer, right away. The colors are really, really pretty. And I used 3 colors in this palette today. I can't even say the names of these colors, but it is a very pretty palette. And of course, you guys are going to see how I came up with this makeup look. And of course, if you want to recreate this look using your own makeup palettes, go right ahead. Everything that I use on my face, I always list in the description box for you, or you're going to find it on my website. Everything is going to be in the description box. The description box is your friend. That's where you're going to find everything out, okay? And so please enjoy the video that's going to be coming up. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for next week for another video. Thank you for watching, and have a fab week. Toodles!